Hey, what's up guys, David here from Dignited. Today I'm going to show you how I installed this Tronic wireless doorbell. The version is WD3602BK. I actually bought this little doorbell for around $10 or about 40,000 Uganda shillings. So let's get right into it. Alright, so this is the wireless doorbell from Tronic. I think it's made from China, that's all I know, but according to my research, apparently this brand is owned from Germany. I don't know how true that is, but yes. So Tronic has very big presence across Africa and the Middle East. Yes, so in the box you have two devices, okay, that is the receiver and the transmitter, and then you also have installation devices here. Okay, yes, so you have wall anchors here that you can use to mount the device to the wall with a couple of screws, and then you have double-sided adhesive here. This is for mounting this little transmitter here to the wall or to a wooden surface, right? So you peel this off, and then stick it in right here. Then you can stick it to a wall. Yes, although there is also the option where you can actually run screws through these points here, okay, and then you attach it to the wall. Yes, so let's just open it up right now. Yeah. Yes, so as you can see, these are the points that I've been talking about, okay, where you can actually drive these screws through and then stick them to the wall. This transmitter here is powered by, you can see this little lithium ion battery here, which looks like a coin, and according to the specs, it's this CR2032 right here. So yes, that is what powers the transmitter, and of course it comes with a button that the guest is going to press, and then the chime or the tone is going to be received on the transmitter here, on the receiver, sorry. Yes, so let's just put this back. Okay, yes, so the receiver here is powered by 3 AAA batteries. So let's open it up right now. Yes, 3 AA batteries, sorry, and actually I'm missing one here. I'm going to add it there, and then it has an on and off switch here, and then you have wall anchors here. Yes, so you can run these screws through the wall and then just hang it right there. So I'm going to do that, and I see how that goes. All right, so I've added the third battery to this unit here, and let's see. Okay. Yes, so according to the spec sheet, as already mentioned, the material is ABS. This is plastic, durable, and resistant. The color is black. The dimensions are right here. It basically just fits into on my palm. This one fits comfortably on my fingers. The weight is 138 grams, I believe it's for this. Then the IP rating is IP44, which means that it's water resistant. You can put this outdoors, as well as dust resistant and insects as well. You can resist that, yes, which is really good for outdoor use. And then it's battery operated, so no need to connect it to a wall socket. Both units here, as I showed you here, this one is powered by lithium ion battery, which is that circular coin based format, and then this is AA batteries, 3 of them, and then you have up to 36 tones. Okay, volume control, you can actually increase the volume here through this button here. You can also change the tones or the chimes. Waterproof, it operates up to 200 meters in open air. That means without obstructions, without concrete walls and all that. Yes, but practically you're looking at 20 to 50 meters where you have walls and stuff. Yes, and then you have LED indicator for transmitter and receiver. So the LED indicator is right here, if you can see that. This is what I'm going to mount at my home here, so that guests can easily you know, ring the bell and we can come and attend to them. Right. Alright, so I started with installing the receiver here using 2 nails that I just hammered through the concrete wall right here, and then I just anchored the receiver to those 2 nails. As you can see here, it's really easy. Right, and then next I went to the transmitter unit. Yes, I used drill bits, concrete drill bits, and a power drill to actually run the concrete anchors and then screws through the wall so that I could easily secure the transmitter unit. Yes, so I did that using the screws and wall anchors that came with the unit. And it was really easy. It was much easier than I thought. Yeah, so this is the final mount. As you can see, it's very secure, and this unit is water resistant, so it is perfectly fine being outdoors. Yeah, so I tested the unit. I pressed the button, and I was able to hear the chime inside the house. So this is my $10 wireless doorbell, and I think I really liked how it turned out. It does what I wanted it to do. So this brings us close to the end of our video. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.